This one thing, known as the LVR, could be the difference between getting your mortgage for your first home or investment property approved or not. What does LVR stand for? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to tell you what range it needs to be to make sure the bank is on your side. So LVR is a loan to value ratio. And in other terms, it's basically just how much deposit you have as a percentage. So in bank worlds, we talk about the LVR being over 80 or under 80. Over 80% means that you've got less than a 20% deposit. Under 80% or at 80% means you've got a 20% deposit. And if you're in that range where you've got a 20% deposit, the banks are nicer to you. If you're trying to buy an investment property, then the LVR needs to usually be at 70%. So you have 30% deposit. But if it is a new build, you can go up to 90% LVR, which means you've got a 10% deposit. The reason why this matters is because if your LVR is incorrect or you don't have the right deposit size, then either you're going to be treated differently or just be not approved. For example, as an extreme, if you have a 99% LVR, that means you've only got a 1% deposit. If you've got a 50% LVR, that means you've got a whopping 50% deposit. But in some cases, you need a 50% deposit to buy. For example, a section with no properties on and no intent for you to build.